Okay, practice problem 3. Rewrite in slope-intercept form, find the slope, y-intercept, and graph. So everything that we've been doing, they're just spelling it out. That's what you need to do. Again, so what do we do? Step 1, solve for y. This is the one that's going to have 2 steps. So circle your y and its coefficient. Get rid of anything outside the circle. That is this 2x. So we're going to, we're going to subtract it. What the heck did I do, y'all? Let's undo that. We're going to subtract it here and on the other side, hanging off in space because it is not a like term. 15 doesn't have an x. Now we just bring everything down in the right order. 5y. I need the negative 2x first. The 15 is positive. Now I need to get the y by itself. I need to get rid of this 5. I'm going to divide every single thing in this equation by 5. I'm going to separate my slope from my x. 15 divided by 5 is 3. Okay, so my slope is negative 2 over 5. So I could go down and right, or I can go up and left. Whichever one you'll have room for. I feel like on this one, we're going to have to go both ways probably. And then our y-intercept is just 3. Step 2, put the y-intercept on the graph. Find your y-axis. Go to positive 3. Put a point. Starting from that point, use your slope directions. I'm going to go down and right first. Down 2, right 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, I can do that again. Down 2, right 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You could have gone up and left. Up 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But you could only do that. Oh, you could go either way. Either way would have worked. You could have found both of your points, no matter which direction you found. I did my best. I can't use a ruler. You can, though, to make sure your lines are straight. Why is it helpful to always write slope as a fraction? Okay. Well, why do we want slope to be a fraction? Think about what slope is telling you. Slope is giving you directions, and you need directions for both the numerator and the denominator. So if you just write 3, you're losing out on the fact that you also have a 1 down there that you're going to need to move to the right or the left. So you want slope to be a fraction, or it's helpful. It's helpful to write slope as a fraction. We're writing complete answers, you guys. Don't start with because. I don't know what you're talking about. It's helpful to write slope as a fraction because the numerator, that's the number on top, tells us how far to move up or down. And the denominator that's the number on bottom, tells us how far to move right or left. So that's why we always write slope as a fraction. You're going to do 3 more practice problems on your own. Check your work, and then it'll be time for your exit ticket.